Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to do concrete, but red concrete. Let's see, it looks so nice. Okay, I'm building here, as you can see, a wall with the neighbor because I have 3 meters and like 15 meters. I want to put there some ticks and maybe a goat to eat plants, herbs and this stuff that's not good. We are going to use the concrete to fill these holes. Why red concrete? Because I want to show you the red concrete that is looks very nice if you want to do some repairings in your house or maybe a barbecue, something like that. In this case, going to be useful. Concrete is made out of 1 part of cement concrete, half part of water, 2 parts of sand and 4 parts of gravel. We are going to start by turning on the concrete mixer. Now we have to put half part of water. For the moment there is only water. This is a mixture of gravel and sand. It's in the perfect proportions and I bought these 2 1000 kilos back. We have to get 6 shovels. Now we fill the concrete mixer. Now we have to put 1 shovel of cement concrete. This is half. Okay, this is the pigment for the red color. We're going to put some of this product. You have to put 3% of this product on the concrete. As you can see, the concrete is gray now. We put some powder. We are going to let it work. Let's put the concrete on the wheelbarrow. Look at this, amazing, red concrete. You can buy this at the depot store. It costs less than 10 euros and it's inorganic, so it's going to rest forever, or they say that it rests forever. Here we have a red concrete play button. Let's see how it looks tomorrow. Now I'm going to fill these blocks with the cement. Okay, before filling the holes, what we are going to do is to wet the surface. This way concrete will get well to the walls. If you want to save some concrete, you can put stones or other objects. I'm going to put a bottle of beer here and also 1 stone. And we continue. We want a solid block, so we have to use a bar to put the concrete homogeneous around the hole. Look at this, how cool it looks. I could fill 5 holes. I don't know, the concrete that I use to fill this looks more reddish than this one button. I could manage to remove it from the bucket, but it doesn't look that red. I don't know why. This is all for today. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to the channel and see you in next video.